You may have heard of different teenagers or people who became millionaires with cryptocurrency. Some of them was even jobless before they got into cryptocurrency. Daniel Mega from Brisbane, Australia just became a multi-millionaire with just $4,000 after seeing the price of Bitcoin go from $15 to $30. He is not the only one here. There is a teenage boy who was at the age of 20 years too who became a multi-millionaire. I'm going to go to my laptop now and show you Daniel Megad. And this is Daniel Megad who turned $4,000 to millions of dollars. And here is the 20-year-old boy who became a multi-millionaire at the age of 12. He invested in Bitcoin. And here is this guy. He is 25 years of age. He is a millionaire after investing early in ETHEREUM and also on Bitcoin. And here is this guy. All right, this guy is planning to this guy have done some wrong investment with his money, and he has done some pretty good investment with his money. He's planning to be a millionaire in the future. Maybe, who knows, maybe in a year time or 2 years. Oh my goodness. All right, that's by the way. And here is the two brothers who also became millionaires after they were jobless, and they became millionaires after they got into cryptocurrency and invested in cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to tell you the strategies these millionaires have been able to use to become millionaires just by investing little fraction of their money into cryptocurrency. Before we go into the strategies, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and smash that like button, because it's going to help a brother out here to promote his YouTube channel. The strategy I'm going to mention in this video are really effective because it have actually taken most of these millionaires from just little of the amount of their money and skyrocket their money, and they have been able to skyrocket their money and become the millionaires they are right now. There are many coins out there, over 9,000 cryptocurrency coins out there you can select from or you can invest in, but you just have to be careful to select the right coin or choose the right coin, because there is so many memes coins out there which can go to zero after it's being released and dumped. So you just have to be careful with your investment, and you have to be careful with your money, and you have to be careful with the particular cryptocurrency to choose from. Getting a 1000x coin is easy. It's also hard. It's just a matter of you to make your due research and find the actual cryptocurrency you can invest to get that 1000x on your investment. The people that invested in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, ETHEREUM, and CARDANO earlier on, when it was just in cents, are actually reaping the profits right now, and most of these people are millionaires, even the ones who have seen on the internet and the ones who don't even know about. I know knowing the particular cryptocurrency to invest in it when it is cheap and make profits from it when it goes up is not that easy, but with these strategies you are going to be able to understand the ways these millionaires have been able to do it. One of the beautiful ways these millionaires have been able to turn their little fraction of their money or the little fraction of their investments into millions is by LUNCHPADs. There are different LUNCHPADs websites out there you can use to know when a particular cryptocurrency is about to be launched. So you can buy this cryptocurrency really cheap and make profit from it as well. You have to also know that you need to do your proper research by going to the cryptocurrency website to check out the website page to know what the cryptocurrency is all about, to know their projects and know their programs. Also try to read that particular cryptocurrency white papers to understand what the cryptocurrency is all about. If it's a cryptocurrency you are going to see future in to invest, or if it's a cryptocurrency that is going to be released and dumped. Nobody wants to lose money. Everybody in this world that is into cryptocurrency is here to make money. Here is the list of LUNCHPADs you can actually use to make research of the particular cryptocurrency that is coming out you can buy cheap and make profit from. You have Binance LUNCHPAD, you have Unicrypt, you have Red Kite, you have DuckDAO, you have TrustSwap, you have Poker Starter, and there are different other LUNCHPADs out there, but my favorite I will recommend for so many people is Binance LUNCHPAD. I think Coinbase also have their own LUNCHPAD. Now I'm going to take you to Binance to show you how LUNCHPAD works. Okay, so this is Launchpool and this is LUNCHPAD. Launchpool is actually different from LUNCHPAD because Launchpool is about farming. I will go into it in more details later on. And LUNCHPAD is about creating awareness for a particular cryptocurrency that is going to be launched. And also, the reason why most cryptocurrency developers use LUNCHPAD is because they use it to also to raise funds for a particular project they have in the cryptocurrency they developed. Here is the sale price of this cryptocurrency when it was launched on Binance. So 1 C98 is equals to 0.002 BNB. So but when you go over to CoinMarketCap to check the value of that cryptocurrency right now, it is at the price of $4.98. So if you have bought in that price, at that sale price, you'll be ripping off some profits right now. Another way you can become a millionaire with cryptocurrency is through social media. Social media is a powerful tool you can use to make your research, to know that cryptocurrency that is just coming out new, which you can really easily invest in when it's just a fraction of a price or when it's just in cents, and you can make millions of dollars with it. Twitter and Reddit is a good social media platforms you can use to make your proper research, or you can use to see the particular cryptocurrency that is just going to be released that you can invest in and make money from also. And you can buy this cryptocurrency at just the fraction of its price and make good amount of money when the price go up. There are different communities and groups you can join on Twitter and also on Reddit you can use to keep up to date what is happening in the crypto world. On Twitter, most of these exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, Gemini, they all tweet when a particular cryptocurrency is going to be launched or when a particular cryptocurrency is going to be released on their platforms. Another great way you can find out a new cryptocurrency you can invest in at early stage that you can make or reap profits from is through CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap has new listings on their sites. So when you go to CoinMarketCap, just go to the new listings, you will see the list of the new cryptocurrency that are being released. And these new cryptocurrencies that are being released, you have to be careful because most of them can be released, and also when you invest in it and it will be dumped, you will lose your money. So you have to actually be careful on a particular cryptocurrency to select from. And most of those cryptocurrencies too that are being released are mostly meme coins. When you take a look at this, you find out that most of the cryptocurrency right here I'm looking at is meme coins. Take a look at Doge Warrior, that's they are imitating Dogecoin, Silk Road, Vegas, Doge Vegas. All these are meme coins, so you have to be careful because they don't really have a real world use case. You really have to be careful with the new listings on CoinMarketCap. Make your proper research to make sure you are selecting the right coin to invest in. Following the trending of cryptocurrency is another great way you can make a good amount of money from cryptocurrency, or you can 1000x your profit from cryptocurrency. Like when Elon Musk used his social media platform to control the price of Dogecoin. We saw Dogecoin being pumped like from the price of 1 cent to up to the price of $0.50, and everybody was hoping that Dogecoin is going to get to $1 until the price of cryptocurrency went down, and the price of Dogecoin also went down after Elon Musk's interview that everybody thought the price of Dogecoin was going to go to $1. There was another coin which I wanted to invest in, but I was very skeptical, was Shiba Inu. And come to think of it, sometimes I regret it, but there's so many coins out there somebody can also invest and make money from. Shiba Inu went from shit price it was to the price it is right now, and so many people made millions from it. There was two brothers and their family who also invested in it, and they made millions of dollars from Shiba Inu. Another beautiful way you can make money with your cryptocurrency is by staking. Staking helps you to multiply that cryptocurrency token you are having, or cryptocurrency token you are just holding on an exchanger or any platform. Let's say you have 10,000 tokens of ADA. That 10,000 tokens, if you stake it at the rate of 5% for a complete 5 years, that is going to give you 40,000 tokens of ADA. If the price of ADA goes as up as $30 in 5 years time, you are going to be having $1.2 million. This is another beautiful way of multiplying your cryptocurrency and also multiplying your income. Investing in cryptocurrency is a good way of making money, but you have to be really careful to choose that particular cryptocurrency you know that it's not going to be released, and when you invest in it, they will dump it. So trade carefully and find out that particular cryptocurrency you can make that millions you desire to have. And I hope to have millions in the future with cryptocurrency. I'm going to wrap up this video here. Just make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video. I always appreciate it. I do appreciate it. It's your boy Mark. signing out. Peace, guys.